Presenting a brand new 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 2306 BHS. New 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 2306 BHS. The compact camper without compromise, Micro Mini is big on features and ready for wayfaring. At 7 feet wide and with multiple open floor plans to choose from, experience the camper life the way you want. Our 2306 BHS is finished in brilliant silver with the crosshatch interior trim. This coach is optioned with heated holding tank pads, Dream Dinette, 190W solar panel, power stabilizer jacks, 8 CU/food gas and electric refrigerator, Goodyear tires, and 15,000 BTU air conditioner. MSRP on this coach is $50,147. UVW is 4,578 pounds, while the GVW is 6,000 pounds. See all photos of this and other fine RVs and vehicles at www.gurdonautosols.com, or call John Gurdon to discuss transaction details. Tax, title, and $125 documentation fee are extra.